A customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the trouble code P0442, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Small Leak. SNOR. This code typically points to a minor leak in the EVAP system, which is responsible for capturing and storing fuel vapors to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. I started with a visual inspection of the EVAP system, including the hoses, connectors, and components, but I didn't find any obvious faults or signs of damage. Next, I used the scan tool to command the EVAP system to seal by closing the EVAP vent solenoid and EVAP purge valve. However, the EVAP canister vent solenoid did not respond as expected, which suggested it might be the source of the issue. To investigate further, I turned the ignition on, engine off, and used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the EVAP canister vent solenoid connector. Both voltage and ground were present, meaning the electrical supply to the solenoid was functioning correctly. This ruled out any wiring or connection issues. Next, I used the multimeter to check for continuity in the EVAP canister vent solenoid itself. Continuity testing is a simple way to verify whether an electrical component, like a solenoid, has an intact circuit. In this case, continuity was not present, confirming that the internal circuit of the EVAP canister vent solenoid was open, indicating it was faulty and needed to be replaced. The EVAP canister vent solenoid plays a crucial role in the EVAP system. It opens and closes to allow the system to either vent fuel vapors to the engine or seal itself for diagnostic tests. A faulty solenoid can prevent the system from sealing properly, triggering small leak codes like P0442. To resolve the issue, I replaced the EVAP canister vent solenoid with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the trouble codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated correctly, the check engine light remained off, and no fault codes returned. This repair was necessary to ensure the EVAP system could function correctly, trapping fuel vapors to maintain emission standards and prevent environmental harm. Accurate diagnosis and testing allowed me to pinpoint the faulty component and restore the vehicle's proper operation efficiently.